I'm Eric,
And I'm Lisa.
and we are the DIY couple.
101.
Today we're going to talk about dryer vents and how to make sure yours isn't going to cause a house fire. We recently bought a house, and before using the dryer, I wanted to check out the vent, make sure it was clean. And this is what I found behind it. So in order to clean and shorten the vent pipe, we have to slide the dryer out from the wall. And this exposed how much extra feet, literally, of vent pipe has been connected. Also, lots of dirt, and now's a good chance to clean this all up. In order to disconnect the vent pipe from the dryer and from the wall, there's typically a metal clamp that you can just squeeze between your finger and your thumb and then just pop the vent right off. What I found inside was just terrible. A fire waiting to happen. This is why you need to clean your dryer after every single load. Otherwise, you end up with buildup just like this. Looking at the vent pipe itself, it was also very clogged and needed to be cleaned out. My dryer vents through the roof, and it's about an 8-foot stack. Looking up into it, I saw it too was caked with dryer lint. So using a vacuum, we cleaned out the dryer connection of all the lint we could get, both in the back and in the front, which is where the little trap is that you can clean out. And we also cleaned out this pipe that was going through the ceiling. We used a shop vac, and we also used my leaf blower pointing up into this, and it clearly blew all the debris right out through the top, and we could see the debris on the roof, so we knew we got it all cleaned. And then we shined a flashlight up in there, and it looked very clean. So let's talk about the proper length for the vent piping. Doesn't need to be 8, 10, 12 feet long. You can cut it. It's a wire with a wrapping of tinfoil almost. And you can cut through the tinfoil part, and then you leave the wire and you just need to snip that. So you only need enough venting to slightly pull the dryer away so that you can reconnect it. So here's how much venting we were left with. As you can see, a nice clean run. It's going to have smoother airflow through your dryer. Your clothes are going to dry much quicker. You're never going to have to run it twice. And you're not going to have a big buildup of lint because you don't have a left, right snaked piece of venting in the back. So then we just slid the dryer back in place, and you can see a nice smooth connection from the dryer to the vent. So please, this is something you can do very quick. Make the vent the proper length, keep everything clean, and don't burn your house down.